Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add a profile on Netflix. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add a profile on Netflix. Maybe because multiple people are using Netflix and you want to give each profile to each person so that everyone could use it based on what they like and they can use it without getting worried that someone else have to watch at the same time, or there could be any other reason for you to make a new profile on Netflix. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Netflix app. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. After that, once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Netflix to open the app. First you will read its title, and after that you will see this interface. So right now we have only two profiles, and if you want to create more, you can create it. In a single Netflix account, you can create up to four profiles at a time. So if you want to create a new profile, we have this plus icon at middle of the screen, and under that it is written add profile. With the help of this option, we can easily create a new profile that will be available on a Netflix. So once you click on it, you will see 3 to 4 different options. First, you have to choose the icon, or you could see the avatars of profiles. For that, once you tap on it, you will see bunch of different icons based on different characters from the Netflix. So from all these existing icons, you can choose any of your favorite avatar. For example, if you really like a season and is there any character available, so you can choose it. You just have to simply tap onto that character and that character will be selected. So here, once I tapped on it, it will be set here. After that, you have to write the name, or you could say the title of the profile. Here you could type your own name, or whatever comes to your mind you can type it. There is no limit like you have to add certain words or you have to add your real name. Obviously Netflix is not something professional, so you can add whatever comes to your mind. You can add your initials, your full name, your nickname, or whatever you like. After that, you can click if you want to make this profile a kid's profile or not. If you make it a kid profile, then you have to keep that in mind that not all the content will be available to that profile. So if you want to do that, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can create a simple profile, and after that you have done with it, simply click on done and your profile will be created on Netflix. This was the easiest way I know through which you can create a profile on Netflix. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.